Once upon a time in a sunny park, there was a cheerful boy named Firas who had so many friends he couldn't even count them. Every day, when he went to play, he would hear his friends calling out to him, "Firas, come play with us." With a big smile and arms open wide, he would eagerly run to join them. Firas loved playing tag, chasing around on the green grass under the warm sun. Sometimes, he and his friends would build incredible towers with blocks or craft magical castles in the sandbox, using leaves and flowers to make them even more special. The best part was how Firas made sure everyone felt included. He shared his toys and waited his turn. If someone took a tumble, he was the first one there to offer a helping hand. And if anyone felt sad, Firas would sit with them to listen. His friends laughed at his silly jokes and cheered when he zoomed past them in races. Firas felt happiness not because he was the fastest or won the most games, but because he was a true friend. The park that once seemed lonely was now filled with giggles, adventure, and Firas right at the heart of all the fun. As the day ended and the sky turned into beautiful shades of pink and gold, Firas held his mom's hand as they walked home. His shoes were dusty from all the playing, but his heart was glowing with cheer. Once at home, after a yummy dinner and a soothing bath, he snuggled up in bed with his warm blanket. His mom tucked him in, giving his forehead a gentle kiss. With sleepy eyes, Firas whispered to his mom, "I didn't know that being kind could make me feel so happy." She smiled and gently stroked his hair as she replied, "Kindness is like sunshine. When you share it, it grows and makes everything around it shine, including you." He nodded thoughtfully. "I want to spread kindness every day, just like today." As Firas drifted into dreamland, he imagined playgrounds filled with smiling faces and adventures shared with everyone. Outside, the stars twinkled bright, and Firas slept soundly, knowing being a good friend was the most wonderful adventure of all.